Swap tokens on Phantom Wallet on PC. How to swap tokens on Phantom Wallet on PC? It's easy and simple. Now, as you can see, you have this option to swap. Now click on it. Now after that, you can now swap tokens. As you can see here, you can select the coins. Now if you try to search for like Dodge, as you can see, you can't find it, but the right way is to go back to home. Now from here, click on search. Now after that, you can search for doc like this, Dodge, or as you can see here. Now after you select it, as you can see, now you can click on swap. Now as you can see, now you can swap it, but if you click on this swap icon, as you can see, the Dodge, it will in the first, and now you can swap it to any coin that you want, like for Solana, as you can see. So you can now swap how much of this coin that you want to swap. And as you can see, token amount too low, increase the value of swap cross chain. As you can see, if you type like this number, now you can swap it. So as you can see here, this is the provider. Now you can select one of them, and now this is how much the price, and this is how much you will receive. So as you can see, if you click here on swap, you can't here to like select it. So the right way is go back to home, and now you can search for the coin. For example, I will tap for this shell guy, and now I can click on swap. Now as you can see, the sol is first, but I want shell guy to be in first here. Now I will click it, and it will reserve this. So I will enter how much I want to swap of this shell guy, and this is how much I will receive. And after you are sure, now you can click on swap. And this is how to swap tokens on Phantom Wallet on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.